Crypto news. Fidelity, others amend Spot Bitcoin ETF forms on deadline day. In the last few weeks, there have been notable developments in the Spot Bitcoin ETF saga in the U.S., with asset managers revising their application forms following dialogue with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. On December 29th, which marked the final day for S-1 amendments, Fidelity Investments, alongside 6 other asset managers, namely VanEck, Bitwise, WisdomTree, Invesco, BlackRock, and Valkyrie, all updated their ETF applications with the SEC in what seems like a preparatory move for an approval by the U.S. Securities regulator. Fidelity offers lowest sponsor fee and incentive competition among asset managers. In its S-1 form update, Fidelity Investments revealed more information on its proposed Spot Bitcoin ETF, notably announcing Jane Street Capital as an authorized participant, AP. For context, authorized participants are typically large financial institutions that play a crucial role in the creation and redemption process of an ETF. Furthermore, Fidelity is also looking to beat fellow asset managers in attracting investors by offering the lowest sponsor fee of 0.39%. Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas has commended this move, stating that Fidelity is officially ready to party. Invesco/Galaxy is in, and here's a whopper. It will be waiving fee for first 6 months and for first $5 billion in assets. AP's named as well, for 2, and JP Morgan, again LOL. Another horse in. Interestingly, some asset managers have joined in on this incentive game, with Invesco waiving its 0.59% sponsor fee on the first $5 billion of trust assets for the initial 6 months after the launch of its proposed Bitcoin ETF. Meanwhile, in its updated form on December 29th, BlackRock, which is considered the largest asset manager in the world and a leading participant in the race for the SEC's approval, announced Jane Street Capital and JP Morgan Securities as its authorized participants. In total, 13 of the 14 asset managers vying for the approval of a Spot Bitcoin ETF amended their applications on Friday. These include Grayscale, ARK Invest, Franklin Templeton, Global X ETFs, Pando Asset, and Hashdex, in addition to the 7 initially mentioned above. Bitcoin ETF saga approaches a possible end. Following the multiple amendments by various asset managers in the Spot Bitcoin ETF race, it appears the whole saga is coming to a definite conclusion. The widely acclaimed decision window for the SEC remains between January 8th to January 10th, with many analysts optimistic of several approval orders by the regulatory body. However, analysts remain torn on the possible effects of the Spot ETF on the Bitcoin asset. According to data analytics platform CryptoQuant, the approval of the Spot Bitcoin ETF could cause the digital asset to fall as low as $32,000 in what is called Sell the News event. This is in contrast to other analysts who predict an increased demand for Bitcoin, resulting in a surge in market price.